Crawlspacerepair.com inspection checklist I told you about.
Wow, this is handy. Let's take a look. All right, let's find that water.
I don't have a water problem.
Really? How do you know?
Well, the ground isn't wet.
Have you ever had water in your crawl space?
No, not that I know of.
Well, how often do you look down here? You know, a lot can happen in a few months. And a crawl space environment can change daily, even hourly.
How can I tell if water's been here? Just by looking?
Water stains, wet blocks, and muddy areas are pretty obvious signs of water. Now, this impression here is actually from moving water. Oh, look. You see this white powder right here at the bottom?
Mold. Oh my gosh, I have mold?
No, this is not mold. It's efflorescence, a salt. What happens is as the water rises into the block, it reacts with the cement. It's not harmful, but over time it can cause foundation issues.
How do I keep the water out?
Well, the first thing I would suggest is installing a properly designed and working roof gutter system. The rest of the water sources will need to be controlled by using a Crawlspace sump pump system. It's a collection point for unwanted water that uses an electric pump to move that water away from the house.
How does it collect the water?
Well, through a trench that is dug around the inside of the crawl space, which funnels that water into a basin. The basin is also located inside the crawl space, and it houses the electric pump. The pump will automatically remove that water to a more desirable location outside the home.
It doesn't seem like I have that much water. Can I wait to install it after I encapsulate the crawl space?
It's your home and ultimately your decision. But it doesn't take much water to cause thousands of dollars of damage. It will be easier on you and your wallet to install a sump kit now rather than wait until after a damaging water event. Think of it like a drain in case your water line breaks or your washer overflows.
This is all such great information. Let's keep going and finish the inspection.
Sure.